Hello, and welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
No, Matt.
Today on this Saturday episode, we're once again exploring liqueurs. We have Grand Marnier's Raspberry Peach.
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this Raspberry Peach?
I know Will's so excited to drink Grand Marnier Signature Collection Number 2 Raspberry Peach. It does come in the same awesome Grand Marnier bottle, though. So you got that going for it. That is, obviously like the still. The history of Grand Marnier is on a previous video when we covered Grand Marnier. But this specific one is Grand Marnier mixed with European red raspberries, along with very special and rare red peaches from the Ardèche parts of France, and then their Haitian oranges. So let's see what we think. I'm sure it'll be delicious.
All right.
Oh, yeah, that's peach.
Like raspberry peach.
That's peach.
It smells like Snapple.
It smells like Snapple.
It smells like Snapple.
Oh, yeah. It's like, it's
raspberry
the lid. You take off the lid of the Snapple. It's exactly what it smells like.
Yes, that first wave of smell was like I instantly got brought back to 1994.
It's a good thing I really like Snapple peach tea.
Snapple's delicious. I wish they'd make more Snapple again.
You know which one I miss? I miss the rain. Remember that? The earth, the rain, remember that?
That one? Wow. It was a long time ago. You think about that. That was 25 years ago.
Different glass bottle.
Yeah. I remember them.
Shut it.
They were good. I'm not going to lie.
Let me just go ahead and age myself right now.
They're delicious.
Oh, God, that smells sweet.
It smells
It
good.
does smell sweet. It smells really good. Like, obviously, this is made for cocktails. I mean, I'm sure it'd be fine over ice, but I think it would take a very small amount and be like, I'm good.
I don't get as much of the raspberry as I do the peach.
No.
This is like a peach, like a fresh peach you're about to, dripping, oozing out and bite into it.
I do get a little bit of a citrus on the nose, though.
Yeah, almost a grapefruit.
Well, they have that orange.
Okay.
Yeah, it's that orange. That Haitian orange.
I'm not getting orange notes. I'm getting the citrus notes.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting too. I get citrus. I'm gonna drink it.
Ooh. And then it's like a raspberry chocolate with the peaches.
You can do it.
You can do it, Will.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Oh, sport.
She has to drink peach. You have to drink sweet. It works fine.
It's not that bad. It really.
It's not as sweet as you think.
The Grand Marnier
actually.
The Grand Marnier actually rounds things out quite a bit more than the first, by the nose especially. But then the wave of sweetness at the very beginning is pretty daunting. But the Grand Marnier really does kind of subside things and does kind of tamp things down as far as the sweetness levels go.
You know, we say this a lot, but especially with you and the amount of tea that you drink, but that peach tea that you sometimes use, this would probably go good in.
Oh, really good.
Yeah.
A little peach hot toddy.
Yeah.
Or like those raspberry zinger ones. Those would be good.
Yeah.
They were really good in that.
They work really well in that.
Yeah.
And the berries actually show up a little bit more on the palate than.
Absolutely.
They really do. And that citrus too.
Go back to the nose. I can actually smell the raspberry as it's retronasal.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, there's definitely a milk chocolate note to this too. That's really interesting.
Yeah.
I like it.
I'm up the Grand Marnier more and more now that I've actually tried it.
And it's actually not that bad.
Second sip.
He's going in for a second.
Wow. It must. Okay, so for Will, this is called a win for Grand Marnier Raspberry Peach.
He didn't do that.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
It is still too sweet for me, but I like it much more than many of the others that Matt has asked me to drink.
I could see this as a sidecar on a margarita.
I could too.
On a frozen?
This is probably awesome in a frozen margarita. Yeah, I've never put it in one, but yeah, I think things were like $32, something like that. So not expensive either.
Not bad.
So, the hard part is I do believe they may be discontinued, but you can still find them on the shelf, but I don't believe they're making this currently anymore. So, and the first one I know they're not making was like the cherry version, which was in 2012. So no longer made. But if you find one, happy to review it. Never had it, but always happy to take a donation.
All right. That's not too bad.
Yeah, still toasting out with whiskey though.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. And until next time,
keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Keep on crusading for the liquids and keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
With you,
Those are the ones, yeah. Gotta have those in the glass, man.
Yeah, whatever that just said. Yeah, that's what I believe.